And there you have it, the Surf and Turf cookies. Hello and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic, where I make crazy unique food that is anything but authentic. It's almost April Fool's Day, so on today's episode, we'll be making Surf and Turf chocolate chip cookies. Yes, you heard that right, Surf and Turf chocolate chip cookies. Now in case you guys don't know what Surf and Turf is usually a savory dish that typically include lobster and steak. That's surf and turf. So, take on the same philosophy, I decided to make a surf and turf cookie. And of course, I'm not gonna add lobster and steak into my cookies, but I'll be using bacon and fish sauce. It is super weird, but it's so good. And I'm pretty sure if you guys make this recipe, you will be your friends. I don't know if your friends will still be your friends, but trust me, when they try it, they'll be like, oh my god, I can't believe these cookies exist. Like, it's just divine. It's not that hard to make. It is, like I said, super delicious, super weird, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. First, we're gonna make the fish sauce caramel. In a heavy saucepan or a large wide pan, add in 1 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 3 tablespoons of water. You want to heat on medium and stir until everything is well combined. Once the mixture comes to a rapid boil, you want to turn the heat down to around medium to medium low and let it cook for around 7 to 10 minutes, and you want to swirl the pan occasionally. After around 7 to 10 minutes or until the mixture comes to a dark amber color, you want to add in around 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time. Then mix until everything is well combined. Then add in around 1/2 cup of room temperature heavy whipping cream. Again, mix until everything is well combined. Then you want to turn off the heat. Then add in around 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, juice of a wedge of a lime, and zest of 1/2 lime. Again, combine everything, give it a little taste if you want, and let it cool completely. Now let's make the cookie batter. In a medium bowl, add in 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give it a little mix, then set it aside. Then, in a separate and larger bowl, add in 1 cup of brown butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix until everything is well combined, then gradually add in the dry ingredients. Mix until everything is well combined, then add in 1/2 cup of fish sauce caramel, around 4 ounces of dark chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup of bacon crumbs. Again, mix until everything is well combined, then we're ready to bake. To bake these cookies, you want to scoop around 2 tablespoons of dough and scoop it onto a prepared baking sheet. Make sure to place the batter around 2 to 3 inches apart. Then you want to bake it in a preheated 375 degrees oven for around 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. After 10 to 12 minutes, you want to take the cookie out and let it cool completely. After the cookies are cooled, take it out, drizzle some more of the fish sauce caramel on top, and then top it up with some more crumbled bacon. And there you have it. I know you guys are still thinking this is still a joke, but it's not. And I've tested this recipe like I think 3 or 4 times now, and this just tastes divinely. And I'm just gonna dig right in just to make sure that it's still good, and I'm still excited. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. Woo! That is so good. The bacon, since we're using crumbled bacon, there's still a bit of that saltiness, but you don't get that pork flavor, and it just lends a very nice crispy layer to the cookies. So it's like crispy, but it's still soft on the cookies, and then that fish sauce caramel just adds a very nice and salty, sweet caramel in it, and it's just so good. It's a very rich cookie because I also added the dark chocolate chips, so it's super rich, but it's so good. Like I said, these cookies sounds like a joke, but it tastes really good. And I really hope you guys make this for April Fools or just make it to impress someone because it's just that unique. Well, thank you for grubbing with me, Guber. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.